Hello everyone. I just wanted to take a minute and send you a quick video as we are about halfway through summer session. About a little over a little couple of days left. But anyway, I just want to first of all send you a reminder of a few things and then answer a couple of questions that I have been getting over email that I think will benefit everyone in the course. First of all, I just want to remind you that this is a summer session, and so things go quickly, and we are done in like 9.5, 10 weeks instead of 16 weeks. So, yeah, it's flying by. And everything is housed in Moodle. Remember from the first day live session that I recorded and talked with you about some things about how I would approach discussion forum with news and announcements. This also goes to your email so you never miss one. This pacing guide with due dates is very important. It tells you what is due every single week, and you should never have a question, right? It's this week is we're ending up on week 4. So what do you have to do that's due tonight by 11:59 is read those PowerPoints and note sheets and watch the videos I have posted in Moodle. Complete your MyLab Maths. There's a discussion forum and a COVID-19 exponential quiz. Basically, how does all of this relate to what we're dealing with in real life? And then this week you have your Unit 2 test as well. I know that seems like a lot, but as you can see, we're trucking along to be able to finish the semester strong. So this sheet tells you when things open and when they are due. If you have any questions about assignments, then of course you can email me. Also, I want to be reminding you that you should be working on your project 1 that's due June 29th. That is next week. Next Wednesday, your project 1 is due. There's different parts to this project, right? There's a credibility sources activity. And then you're going to watch these short videos and answer the questions about math in the globe, the rich and the poor statistics, life expectancy, world population, and saving poor children. And then you will upload your project and your final project as a PDF right here in this assignment block. Thank you to the 2 people that have already uploaded your project. And of course, there is a reflection part. So that is project 1. It's part of your final exam grade. So don't forget to do it. Also, I want to remind you that in each section, there are videos and PowerPoints and examples of videos and just all kinds of resources. So if you are logging into Moodle and going straight to MyLab Math and depending on it to teach you what you need to know, then you're probably not going to be very successful. Use the resources that you have been given in the class to be successful in the class. Also, I want to make sure that you're checking your grades. I'm not going to pull up my grade book because we get to the grade book differently and you see yours and I see everyone. So, but just remember to check your grades in the Moodle grade book in this class. The last piece of information I want to share with you is what do you do if you're not getting it in the videos and the PowerPoints and the view the examples in MyLab Math homeworks? Then we also offering free tutoring here on campus. Academic Skills Center is located on the 3rd floor of the WLC building on the side of the library. That's the building with the flags in the front. And they are there. You can walk in Monday through Thursday from 8 to 5 and get tutoring, and they will help you with whatever you need help with. If you cannot come from 8 to 5 because of your work schedule and such, then they also offer a virtual tutoring time. Virtual tutoring is called Ask Billy, and it is located in your Moodle account. You can go to the Ask Billy and go to Tutor Forum. And then in the forum, you'll see the directions there that will connect you to an academic skills coordinator that will help you get some help. And on this is the academic skills page on our website at waynecommunitycollege.edu. And there's actually a video there on how to use Ask Billy and their information there that you can visit them or call them and where they are located and even email them. I am available to answer questions, um, and I do that as much as I can over email. But sometimes it's not very easy to answer questions over email, so I may send you a picture to try to explain what I am talking about. Also, if you'll remember from the syllabus that I passed out or showed you the first day, I am here on Mondays and Wednesdays at 9, Tuesdays at 10, and then Thursdays I'm here from 10 to 10:50 and then 1 to 1:50. And or, we can try to make arrangements other times. I do have to teach face to face, and I have other online classes as well. So you do have ways to get extra help if you need it through academic skills, emailing me, or using my office hour. Okay. Keep working hard. Keep pressing through. Online math is not necessarily easy, especially from an asynchronous instruction point of view, where you use the resources, teach yourself, and complete the assignments. So keep working hard. We'll be done before you know it. Get your assignments done each week, and of course, email me if you have any questions. Have a great day.